Good evening and welcome to the Daily News Roundup with Daily Mirror Online. You're with me, Bhaktiyabeh Surya. Let's take a look at our headlines.
President's decision to appoint Janaprit Fernando as the Chief Commissioner of the Ceylon Scout Council challenged in Supreme Court. Pushpika denies it was she who was present with Ratwata. SLC says reports of players deliberately underperforming are false. Youth population highly reluctant to get jabs, only 20% vaccinated in Colombo. 20-feet container seized with illegally imported ginger, black gram and palm sugar. Black fungus hitting COVID-19 patients in Sri Lanka.
Now diving into those stories in detail.
The life members and committee members of the Ceylon Scout Council have filed a fundamental rights petition in the Supreme Court challenging the appointment of Deputy Chief Commissioner Janaprit Fernando to the post of Chief Commissioner of the Ceylon Scouts Council. Mrs. Sri Lanka World 2021 Pushpika De Silva yesterday denied allegations that it was she who was present with Ratwata at the Valikata prison premises. Quote, "My name is being dragged into this unwantedly. I do not know anything about this incident as I was not present. I have no connection with the State Minister and do not even know him," unquote, Pushpika told Daily Mirror. Sri Lanka Cricket today denied media reports that certain players in the national team that played in the T20 International Series against South Africa did not fully commit themselves or deliberately underperformed on the field. Quote, "Sri Lanka Cricket has not received such a complaint from the team management against any player of the national squad," unquote, SLC said in a media statement. While commenting that the younger population aged from 20 to 29 show a great reluctance in receiving the COVID jab in the Colombo city, CMC Chief Medical Officer of Health Dr. Ruan Vijay Muni said that only 20% of the estimated youth population had so far received the vaccine. He said there are 97,000 youth in the Colombo city limits who are eligible to be vaccinated and added only 20% had got it so far. The officers of the Sri Lanka Customs Preventive Division seized a 20-foot container with dried ginger, black gram and palm sugar while being attempted to smuggle into the country. Customs Deputy Director Legal and Media spokesman Sudatta Silva said. He said the container was declared to Customs as 23,150 kilograms of horse gram. The dubious container was freighted from India by a Colombo-based businessman on the 12th of September. The COVID-19 patients who have been diagnosed with black fungus have been detected from several areas of the country, Deputy Director General of Health Services Dr. Hemantha Herath said. He said the cases had been reported from several hospitals, including the Colombo National Hospital, Kurunegala and Ratnapura. The symptoms of this disease develop depending on the place where fungi appear on the body. The fungi can be found on the skin, around eyes, nose, brain and lungs, he explained.
For further details on the stories, visit our website www.dailymirror.lk. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Bhaktiyabeh Surya and this is the Daily News Roundup.